If you are in need of DGPS surveyors in Indirapuram, look no further than our professional team at Scon Design. We understand the importance of accurate and reliable surveying services, especially when it comes to projects in Indirapuram. Our team of experienced DGPS surveyors is well equipped with the latest technology and tools to provide precise measurements and detailed data for your project. Whether you are planning a construction project or need land surveying for any other purpose, we are here to assist you. Indirapuram is a rapidly developing area with various infrastructure projects taking place. With our DGPS surveyors, you can ensure that your project is based on accurate and up-to-date data. DGPS, or Differential Global Positioning System, is a technology that enhances the precision of DGPS measurements by using a network of ground-based reference stations. This technology allows us to provide highly accurate surveying services in Indirapuram, ensuring that your project is executed smoothly and efficiently. At Scon Design, we have a team of skilled DGPS surveyors who have years of experience in the field. They are trained to handle complex surveying tasks and can provide detailed reports and maps based on their findings. Our surveyors use state-of-the-art equipment and software to collect, analyze, and present the data in a format that is easy to understand and utilize for your project needs. When you choose our DGPS surveying services in Indirapuram, you can expect professionalism, accuracy, and timeliness. We understand that time is of the essence in any project, and our team is committed to delivering results within the agreed-upon timeline. Our surveyors work diligently to ensure that all measurements are precise and reliable, allowing you to make informed decisions based on the data provided. Contact us today to learn more about our DGPS surveying services in Indirapuram and how we can assist you with your project needs. There is no need to look anywhere else when you require DGPS surveyors in Indirapuram than our experienced staff at Scon Design. We are aware of how crucial it is to have precise and trustworthy surveying services, particularly for projects in Indirapuram. With the most up-to-date equipment and technology, our team of skilled DGPS surveyors can deliver accurate measurements and comprehensive data for your project. We are available to help you whether you are preparing a construction project or require land surveying for another reason. The city of Indirapuram is expanding quickly, and numerous infrastructure projects are underway. You can be sure that your project is based on reliable and current data by working with our DGPS surveyors. Differential Global Positioning System, or DGPS, is a technique that uses a network of ground-based reference stations to increase the accuracy of DGPS readings. With the help of this technology, we can offer very precise surveying services in Indirapuram, assuring the successful completion of any project. A group of knowledgeable DGPS surveyors with years of expertise work for Scon Design. They can provide thorough reports and maps based on their results because they are qualified